Yeah, so I would say that this is good advice for anybody, especially in data, but just good advice in general. You're going to work with stakeholders who may be very technical and other stakeholders who might recognize a computer on site, and everybody in between. And so your role is really about being able to communicate with folks on all aspects of the spectrum and everybody in between. And so being able to me, I think being able to communicate with those folks kind of boils down to two things: of finding a common language and then finding common ground. So I'm a big fan of the explain it to me like I'm five model. And it's not to be patronizing, but it's to say, let's level set, to use an MBA term. We need to level set, make sure we're using the same terminology, the same definitions for what these things mean. Sometimes easy miscommunications can come up because we're using this word this way, you're using it to interpret it this way. Sure. And that's a really easy thing to alleviate by just saying, let's make sure we're all on the same page, looking at the same information, having the same conversation. And then also finding common ground of where you can align with those folks